We're here at Adobe Max for 2018. We're showing off at our third-party integrations booth some of our best integrations in the developer ecosystem. So we wanted to include Bluescape, and we're going to walk through the Bluescape Photoshop demo.
Yeah, so thanks to our partnership with Adobe, we're able to build on top of Adobe's APIs to deliver a set of plugins for Photoshop. So to launch Bluescape, I click on the Bluescape icon. And
can you actually show me
sure.
how you got to that extension?
Yeah,
I think
definitely.
Sometimes people get lost.
So the best way to get to plugins is to hit Windows, Extensions, and you'll see Bluescape over here. And once you hit that, you'll be able to see a B icon in the side. So here are the list of workspaces I'm part of. And we had a happy hour recently, and one of my colleagues noticed that one of the pictures we took at the happy hour was a little oversaturated, and she made a note of it in a comment. So I'm gonna bring this image into Photoshop,
That's great.
tweak it a little bit.
So you don't even have to leave.
Exactly. Yeah, and just kind of fix it up because right now it's a little too bright. So I'm just in the Photoshop panel. I'm just gonna turn the brightness a little bit down just to get it more polished. And I'm actually just going to upload this updated image back into Bluescape by clicking Upload to Canvas. So it'll take a sec.
That's awesome.
And after it uploads, I can go back into Bluescape and just see the new image.
So it's populated there immediately.
Exactly. It's just all seamless.
So whether you're working within Photoshop, you can do all of your design work without leaving.
Exactly.
But to share with the team, if they're logging into Bluescape, they can see it from that canvas as well.
Definitely. Yeah, that's exactly the workflow. And I'll probably just close it off by letting my colleague know to check this image out. So, hey, check this out.
And those comments populate in real time, both in Photoshop and Bluescape.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's kind of the Adobe Photoshop integration in a nutshell. It's just like a seamless way to bring in your content in and out of Bluescape and Photoshop. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.